Hey everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can hide or show notifications on specific pages. It's really simple. Go to notifications, choose the notification you want to display on specific pages and click on edit. Now navigate to display. Here you will see an option for pages you want to display notification. By default, it is selected for all pages. If you want to show it on specific pages, select the second option, pages when URL condition matches. You can select the conditions from here and enter the data required in the text box. Here we have a total of 6 conditions. Contains, equals, rejects, does not contain, does not equal and does not rejects. Let's understand each of them. First is contains and does not contain. In both these conditions, you will be asked to enter the keyword. Let's say you want to display notification on pages where URL contains the keyword contact. Then what you have to do is enter contact in the keyword field. And the notification will be displayed on all pages URL containing contact keyword. If you have selected the condition does not contain, the notification won't be displayed on the pages with the specified keyword available in URL. Now let's take the second condition, that is equal and does not equal. Here you will have to enter the exact URL where you want to display and hide the notification. Let's say you want to show notification on pricing page, then go to browser, open the pricing page, copy the URL and paste it in the text box. Click on add and this condition will be added. Now the third and the last one, that is rejects and does not rejects. When using this condition, you will have to enter the patterns. Let's take an example to help you understand better. I have multiple blogs on my website. Now, if I want to display notification on all pages, then what I will have to do is enter URLs manually every time I add a new blog. But rejects condition makes my work easy. Simply add a pattern. Let's say my blog URL is wisernotify.com/blog. Now all my new blog slugs are added after wisernotify.com/blog/asterisk. Here asterisk is a custom slug which I use for my blogs. So what will happen now is whenever someone visits a URL which matches the pattern, the notification will be displayed to them. You can use multiple patterns. It can be anything like wisernotify.com/asterisk/blog or wisernotify.com/integration/asterisk. WiserNotify will match the patterns and will display notification on them. Similarly, you can use does not rejects if you don't want to display notification on specific patterns. So these were the conditions you can use to specify pages where you want to display notifications. Once you have applied all these conditions, save it and you are good to go. If you face any issues while setting this up, connect with us on a live chat or reach us at support@wisernotify.com.